Alright guys, today I'm doing a full unboxing, review, and setup of the Moise Tool Organizer. The setup was very simple. Probably took a little bit under 30 minutes to fully get it up and going. Everything's very self-explanatory. All the parts were very sturdy. Everything was just easy to put together. It comes with everything that you would need to set it up. I did decide to use my electric drill to assemble it just a little bit quicker. And here's what it looks like once you have it fully assembled. Looks really cool. I love the outlets back here along with the USB ports, and it just held up really well. All right, and this is what the cart looks like once you actually put everything on there. Again, it doesn't need to be tools. I did use mine for tools. As you can see, you can hang drills right off of here. And my favorite part is that back here it has 3 outlets and 2 USB plugs as well. So as you can see, I'm plugging this through the USB. I'm charging my drill battery here. You can put whatever you like up here. And then down here it has 2 different baskets for you to put anything else that you need. It has a lot of storage, and then it has wheels, and then you can actually put more stuff on the back end here as well. So very convenient cart to have. Keeps your tools nice and organized. So if you're looking for a good cart to put all your hardware or anything like that, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.